Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today I would like to talk about the paragraph. Dear students, you know your second semester exam is very near at hand, and your second semester syllabus of English second paper has already finished. So now we are going to revise the topics one by one. So today I would like to talk about the paragraphs. So at first I will write the paragraphs. The name of the paragraph is My Parents. So let's start. My parents. My parents. Dear students, in the question there will be your parents, but in your answer script you must write my parents. Okay, so the first sentence is my parents are the dearest persons to me in the world. So you have to write in your answers in your copy. My parents are the dearest persons to me in the world. Please, everybody, please memorize these sentences. My parents are the dearest persons in the world. Again, I say, my parents are the dearest persons in the world. And then you can say, my father is a service holder, and my mother is a housewife. Students, just you can memorize this. My father is a service holder and my mother is a housewife. So the first sentence is, my parents are the dearest persons to me in the world. My father is a service holder and my mother is a housewife. Then you can write both of them take a great care of me. Students, then you will write both of them take a great care of me. So at first I wrote, my parents are the dearest persons to me in the world. My father is a service holder and my mother is a housewife. Both of them take a great care of me. Students, try to memorize this one. Students, have you memorized? Then you can say, my mother cooks for me and helps me in my study. So again I say, my parents are the dearest persons to me in the world. My father is a service holder and my mother is a housewife. Both of them take a great care of me. My mother cooks for me and helps me in my study, or you can write here in my studies, IES, because this is my mother helps me in mathematics, in English, or in various kinds of subject. So you can write here in studies, and the last letter you can write, I love my parents. I love my parents very much. Okay, dear students, can you memorize this? At first you say, my parents are the dearest persons to me in the world. My father is a service holder and my mother is a housewife. Both of them take a great care of me. My mother cooks for me and helps me in my studies. I love my parents very much. Dear students, this is the symbol of writing the paragraphs. You can write this one, or you can write in your own sentences, or you can write in your you can change the sentences and you can write in another sentence, no problem. But this is the symbol. Can I say again? Okay, I can say again. My parents are the dearest persons to me in the world. My father is a service holder and my mother is a housewife. Both of them take a great care of me. My mother cooks for me and helps me my studies. I love my parents very much. Okay, dear students, now we can write in your copy. Then now I would like to write about another paragraph. So the name of the paragraph is Your Favorite Teacher. So now I can rub out this. So now I would like to write another paragraph. The name of the paragraph is Your Favorite Teacher, but in your answer script you will write My Favorite Teacher. So the name of the paragraph is My Favorite Teacher. Dear students, in your answer script you will write the capital letter of the first letter of the first letter. Dear students, my M is a capital letter, F also you will write in capital letter, and teacher, the T you will write also the capital letter, because in the name of the paragraph should be written in the capital letter of the first letter of every verse. Okay, so my favorite teacher, so that the first line you can write like this: the name of my favorite teacher is, you can write according to your favorite teacher, but I can write here just X, but you can write in your own favorite teacher. Okay, so the name of my favorite teacher is Mr. X or Mr. Rahman, or you can write Mr. Karim, you can write here, no problem. And the name, so again I repeat, the name of my favorite teacher is Mr. Rahman, or you can write in your own letter. He is, then you can write here, he is very sincere and smart. You can write here, he is very sincere and smart. He is very sincere and smart. So at first, the first line is the name of my favorite teacher is Mr. Rahman. He is very sincere and teacher. He is very sincere and smart, and he tries his lesson. You can write then. He tries his lesson. He tries his lesson easy and interesting. He tries his lesson easy and interesting. And then you can write he. Then, so the first sentence is the name of my favorite teacher is Mr. Rahman. He is very sincere and smart. He tries his lessons easy and interesting. You can write this. So he tries his lessons easy and interesting. The first sentence again I say, the name of my favorite teacher is Mr. Rahman. He is very sincere and smart. He tries his lesson easy and interesting. The students, you can write in your copy. Or you can write here another one is he tries to make. You can write here to make his lesson. It's better to write. He tries to make his lesson easy and interesting. Easy and interesting. And so the next sentence you can write, he behaves well with us. With us. Students, I repeat, but the name of my favorite teacher is, you can write according to your favorite teacher, the name. He is very sincere and smart. He tries to make his lessons easy and interesting. He behaves well with us, so we love him very much. Okay, student, this paragraph. If you write this paragraph in your copy in the exam, so you can get the marks. But if you write in your own way, if you write in another sentence on the base of this your favorite teacher, or you can write your favorite teacher's quality in your answer script, so you will get the good marks, no problem. So these are the two important paragraphs that is included in your syllabus. So at first you will memorize this. Then at first you will try to write in your own way. Okay, in your own way. Then you will just try to memorize this one, and you will write as an HW. So no more today. See you in the next class. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.